I got Mitzu sleeping. Hi. I wake her up. Look how beautiful she is. Wow. She's on my bed, relaxing. She don't want to hear me no more. Right, Mitzu? She's so tired. She ate tuna with dry food. Right, Mitzu? Then her belly. You want to see her belly? That's her belly. Because she was eating a lot. So she couldn't even open her eyes. That's how greedy she is. That's her paw. That's her fluffy tail. Hi, isn't she adorable?
Look at her beard.
I see, she's so cute. Especially her nose. It's so wet and cold and cute. Her ears. She's so nosy. She wanna know who opened the door in the front. I wonder who it was. She's so adorable. You see her? She went back to bed. Look, lazy. She was eating a lot, right? Don't bother me. That's the don't bother me look. She don't want to hear me. But she really ate all the tuna. That's a big, huge stomach full of hair. She's so adorable. Look at her paws. I love her. I do. She's so adorable. She's so adorable. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Ay, Dios. Poor thing. She was like, oh my God, my mom was calling me. Now I'm going to bed. Aww. Well, I do love her. Aww. She's so adorable. I don't want to leave her alone because she's so adorable. Hi, esa puff. Ay, esa pancita. Ay, Dios, mira esa pancita. She don't want me to touch her belly. Ay, mira, look at the tail. Look at the tail when mommy talking. Look at the tail. Foofy, foofy, foofy. It looked like a duster. She gonna dust my heart. Cause it's full of dirt. Esa pancita, so isn't she adorable? Isn't she adorable sleeping with mommy playing with her paw and her face and her nose and her fluffy tail? Cause she's hearing my voice. There you go. That's a fluffy tail. Oh yeah. Oh cool. Look at the tail. That's a big paw. She's so gigantic. I love her. I do. Love you, Mitzu.
Love you, Miss Lee.